Your hands heal people. But can an algorithm do it better? Physiotherapists, speech therapists, and occupational therapists. Three of the most human professions on Earth. Built on touch, empathy, and intuition. But in 2024, artificial intelligence is learning to do what once only a trained therapist could. So, should you be worried? Let's find out. Let's talk about what AI can already do. In physiotherapy, AI-powered motion capture systems now analyze gait and posture in real time, flagging injuries that a human might miss. Rehabilitation apps guide patients through exercise programs at home, with no therapist present. In speech therapy, AI tools like Lena and Google's speech analysis software detect language delays in children faster than clinical assessments. Voice analysis AI can diagnose conditions like Parkinson's and ALS from speech patterns alone. And in occupational therapy, AI-driven cognitive assessments are replacing paper-based evaluations. Smart home sensors now monitor daily living activities, flagging when elderly patients struggle. Robotic exoskeletons and AI apps are guiding stroke rehabilitation around the clock, no human required. So how do therapists stay ahead? First, lean into what AI cannot replicate: human connection. The therapeutic alliance, that bond between patient and therapist, is proven to drive outcomes. No algorithm can fake that. Second, become AI literate. Learn to use AI tools in your practice. Therapists who can interpret AI data, combine it with clinical judgment, and build care plans around it are irreplaceable. Third, specialize in complex cases. AI handles routine and predictable neurological rehab, trauma recovery, pediatric speech disorders. These require nuanced, adaptive human expertise. Fourth, move into supervision, training, and program design. AI needs humans to design, oversee, and validate therapy protocols. The therapist of 2030 is a clinical AI supervisor, not a competitor. Will these professions be obsolete by 2030? The honest answer, no, but they will be dramatically transformed. The World Economic Forum projects that while AI will displace routine clinical tasks, demand for allied health professionals will actually grow by 18% by 2030, driven by aging populations and chronic disease. But here's the catch: the therapists thriving in 2030 will look very different from today. Less manual note-taking, less routine assessment, more clinical strategy, more AI oversight, more human-centered care. The question isn't whether AI will change your job. It already is. The question is, will you change with it? So there you have it. Physiotherapists, speech therapists, and occupational therapists, not replaced, but radically reshaped. The professionals who embrace AI as a tool, not a threat, will lead the next era of allied health. If you found this useful, hit subscribe, because every week we're exploring how AI is reshaping the careers you thought were safe. See you in the next one.